ball just like this. Toss it up. Get up onto your feet before it hits the ground. You have to catch the ball though. Ready? Watch. Like that. Okay, come on back. You got to throw it up, straight up in the air. Because if you throw it out, it's a lot more difficult to do. If I throw it straight up in the air, you have to touch it. That's all right. No, well, you throw it back here. Throw it up in the air. That's better. Okay, and then you're going to get to the point, now watch this. On the bottom, now, throw it up. Catch it. Want me to show you again?
Yeah.
Here we go.
How do you do it?
Straight up. Ready? Oh, you missed it. You gotta finish. You gotta finish. Okay, watch. Go. Oh, you threw it over your head. Threw it over your head. Oh. Oh. Okay, let me show you one more thing. After you learn how to do it from your knees, when you go to the bottom, this time you gotta go like this. Yeah, I missed that. I didn't throw it up straight.
I thought you were then you can.
Nope, nope, nope.
Ha ha ha.